The text says, now when Daniel knew. New means to be made known, to make aware. Daniel was already aware what the law said. Law said no worship. But Daniel is demonstrating courage, commitment, and faithfulness against the law of man. Can I just say it like this? COVID-19 has gotten people to a point now where they have no courage.
Hey guys, it's a little later on in the day. I've changed and everything. But as you have seen, I taped a little bit of church. I hadn't been taping church lately because of basically COVID. When I go to church, I want to be careful and mindful that I don't always just want to flip my camera out and stuff. Because we're not tightly packed in like before. We are spread out, from each other for the most part, and just trying to be careful. So I'm going to try every now and then to film a little bit of church, because people have been saying, they like seeing my church service and seeing my pastor preach and, the choir sing and stuff like that. When I used to first put it at, my videos, the beginning of my videos. So I'm going to try to do that. If it's kind of awkward to be doing that in church now, I'll just get a snippet of the live stream that's on the internet and try to put a little bit of that on. But yeah, thanks to everyone who wrote, comment about it, that she liked seeing my pastor in the church and everything. So I'll try to do that, but I'm just, trying to be safe as well. So anyway, we went to Sam's after church, and here's what I picked up. So I have to hurry, but went to Sam's to get the chicken. So got the rotisserie chicken, got some mushrooms, and I got some of these Key West blend vegetables. Y'all, they were on sale for, I think it was $3.71 per pack. These are usually like $6.98 or $7 something per pack, and they were on clearance. So I bought 6. So just stocking up. I'm going to put them in the freezer downstairs. And I got to organize my freezer up here. But I got 6 of these. And then I got some salmon. Got some Atlantic salmon. You want the purest that you can get. You want wild caught, but sometimes you have to get what you can get. These say sustainable seafood. It doesn't quite say whether this is wild caught. I don't think this is wild caught, but anyway, I'm on a search for some more pure fish. So if you all know where to get some from, y'all let me know in the comments. So this is what I'm going to make today. I'm going to slice some chicken off of the rotisserie. I'm going to do some mixed vegetables and in the microwave. These are steamable. I just mixed some of the Lipton rice in with regular white rice and did it microwave style like I usually do. And I'm going to put some butter in it, and it's going to be like just a DIY stir fry. Sometimes I just put stuff together. And my husband and the kids sometimes get upset because I can't duplicate it. They're like, oh, this is good. And I can't duplicate it all the time, but sometimes I do. Also, you guys, I put a little Sazon in here, and a little butter or margarine, whichever you use. But a little Sazon ain't never hurt nobody. I do have to check for the MSG in this, though. I try not to use that, but yeah, Sazon, just for the sake of it, just Sazon tastes good. Sazon is delicious. I like it a little better than Lowry's, actually. So we got some mushrooms and onions on in one little skillet. Ooh, let's see. You don't have to always have anything extravagant going on. Sometimes you just get a pot on the stove, ladies. Get some stuff going. And I put some chicken juice. I had some leftover chicken juice from baked chicken that I had mixed with cream of mushroom soup. I'm just going to add it in. And yeah, just mix some stuff up sometimes when you're in a hurry. And this is hubby's plate. He has the chicken. And Got some cherry juicy juice.
You look at these numbers
and
look
a little
at
bit of.
I mean, that's dramatic. Look at the completion percentage, and you look at what Pittsburgh did last week.
And I have roast in mine. This is rice, mixed vegetables, roast, mushrooms and onions, and I also have the juicy juice. I have a little cilantro on mine too. So the things that we're not keeping, we are going through and pricing them for the estate sale. It is Monday, it's the next day, and I went to Ollie's and picked up some towels. We were in need of some new towels, and I'm in need to do my nails actually. But yeah, we got some new towels, and Ollie's has pretty good prices on a lot of things. So I ended up getting some toothpaste also. I got about 5 or 6 things of toothpaste. They were running like $1.99. And so that's a really good price compared to $2.99. And I got different flavors, different kinds that do different things. Got the Crest Pro Health. That was $1.79. And then, so I got a few more of those. I also got some Nutri-Grain bars for just, you know, in a quick hurry when, like, we just got to get out the door. Like this morning, I went over to my mom's. Me and my sister were, you know, starting to get things together for the estate sale. And I didn't feel like cooking. I had to get over there right away. So I just got one of these and some orange juice and went on over. So it's good in a pinch for a snack or a quick breakfast. I also got more towels. These two are for Jalen and Isaiah's bathroom. I got some Right Guard. This smelled so good. I smelled it when I was in the store. So I got one for Chris, one for Isaiah. And then this color, this is for me and Chris's bathroom, this and this. So I got the hand towel, or not the hand towel, the bath towel plus the washcloth to match each one of these. And these were like $4.99 a piece. They feel really good. I think this one, these two are $5.99. These are Cannons. This is a really good brand. Cannon bath towel. This is something else. But still a good brand. It feels really good. I also got some shears. And I have to see which looks good for my YouTube background. I'm trying to do some things differently, spruce some things up for YouTube when I do sit-down videos. So I got these curtains, or these panels, $6.99. I just went ahead and got 2, just in case I like this one and not these. Jalen, if, you know, if she gets her very first apartment, not the apartment she has now, not the dorm apartment, but when she moves home or, you know, gets her apartment and stuff, she can use maybe these in an extra bedroom she may have or something like that. But anyway, they were $6.99 and I picked them up. And I finally got a different rug. I've been wanting a rug for the entryway coming out of the garage to our family room from the garage. I can just see it. Repeating stuff. This was $6.99, I believe. So I got that. And then I know this has a Christmas design, but picked it up anyway. I thought it was cute. It's $9.99. So I got that for Isaiah's bed. And yeah, so got a few things from Ollie's the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tags off of all the towels and get ready to wash them. I always wash my towels and sheets before I use them. So it is Tuesday evening and I've been doing a lot of YouTube work today, a lot of behind the scenes work. So this is dinner. Just something really quick, and it's really quick because this is rotisserie chicken that is left over from the other day. And what I did was cut it up. This is the wing and the breast portion. I have the leg and thigh portions for my husband and son. I just kind of sauteed it on the top and the bottom with onions and mushrooms, and I put a little more seasoning on it, a little bit of the Sazon, and then I made soft fried potatoes with onions, and then I have mixed vegetables that I got from Sam's the other day. They were frozen in the pack that I showed, and I just took some out, boiled them on the stove, and seasoned them, and they are delicious. I had them before. So this is dinner today, along with some Minute Maid fruit punch. So I'm out here. It's about 8 o'clock now. I've done my morning prayers. I still have to do a devotional. Still want to do that. And but I got up, prayed, got some clothes on. Not the clothes I'm going to wear for the day, but just clothes to water the garden. I am out here looking like Farmer Jane. So, yeah. But we still have some collards coming up. And look at that kale. That kale looks good. Got some cabbage still coming up. So, but this side of the garden, it's a goner. It's a goner. So I'm just going to pull all those roots out and everything and, take care of that. We have to give up the ghost on the crookneck squash, the zucchini, and what else? Some of the peppers over here. Yeah. I think one of my cousins down in Mississippi said we had planted the squash too close, and we have figured that out because it will, oh my goodness, the squash, it will choke everything out. I am for real. I mean, we'll physically choke it out. So, yeah, we'll try again next year. Because last year our squash did pretty good. But this year it was just too close. But we still got tomatoes coming in. So we got tomatoes. We got a lot of green ones here. I hope they turn red. If not, we'll be doing some fried green tomatoes. And, yeah, doing some, the leaves are still turning red. And so we got tomatoes and greens coming up still, so that's good. We got onions still coming up over there on the patio. Y'all, these mums, I'm gonna try to bring them back because this is the season for them. I just hadn't watered in the past couple days. And these petunias, they gave up the ghost. They is gone, but they still stay green. So I'm going to water them back to their greenness. And just until October. I'm going to try to hold on. And this is a squash. It's about gone. We might get one more off of here. So we'll see. But yeah, getting the day started. So it is time to cook dinner. It is late. It is 7:49 p.m. My husband and son are at baseball right now. So I am going to go ahead and fix this really quick. My sister and brother-in-law, their church has like a food pantry, and they had some extra left over. So I'm going to be making this squash noodle mix and this cut cauliflower and broccoli mix. It also has Brussels sprouts in it, I see. So I'm going to go ahead and make this. I'm going to put mushrooms and onions in this. Plus, we still have some leftover rotisserie chicken from Sam's. So I'm going to go ahead and season this up and make this. And I will show you what it looks like after I get done. Guys, so I am sitting here in my little office area in Jay's room. But anyway, I'm sitting here in my little office area, and I am about to do my nails actually, because my nails have just been looking horrible. I hated to come on camera, but we really have literally not had time to do anything extra. So my self-care just needs some attention today. But anyway, I'm sending a get well card to someone who's, not feeling well, under the weather, and then I'm sending the last of my thank you cards out too. So we're also about to go over to my sister and brother-in-law's house for a minute, and then we're all going over to my mother's house to set up for the estate sale tomorrow. So I'll try to bring you along with me.
Sit over here and eat somewhere in the parking lot?
Yeah, I guess we can. Hey guys, so we are on our way home. We just got finished setting up for the estate sale at my mom's, and me and Isaiah are on our way home. And it's a special occasion because Isaiah, the baby grandchild, now there are great grandchildren and great great grandchildren, but Isaiah's the youngest grandchild, and Mama's car is given to Isaiah. So Isaiah, Isaiah got a car from Grandma. So yeah, we're taking it home back to our house. So me and him are stopping by to get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to Dairy Queen and go on home. So we're getting Gold Star chili. And oops, if I can open it. Cheese conies. And Isaiah got 2. Well, he's eating 1. And then we're going to Dairy Queen. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good. Good. I would like a... So I have the Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard. And Isaiah has the Oreo Blizzard. And Isaiah has the Oreo. Bring yours over this one. Isaiah got the Oreo. So it's Saturday, you guys, and this is what's for dinner. This is hooks, wings, and we had French fries. I meant to film the whole big old basket of it, but we got to eat. We were hungry. I just came back from my mom's. We had the estate sale today. And it was from 8 to 12 noon. And so anyway, it was time to eat afterwards. So we came on home, got some baked beans that I made. This is from Hooks. And then I made some green beans. And we had some fruit punch and peach tea. And Isaiah had water. He didn't want anything else. So yeah.